UGC videos like these are blowing up right now, and brands are using them to get thousands of new customers every single day. So we build a workflow using InVideo Agent One and Seedance 2.0 inside of it that lets you create viral UGC ads in minutes. And the reason why our process works so well is that we're not guessing what is going to perform. Instead, we're going to take the ads that are already proven to work on other social media platforms, and then we're going to rebuild them around our own product. This way we can produce high quality as well as high performing UGC ads. And the best part, using our method, every single content piece will stay fully on brand. I would say I will show you now exactly how it works and break it down for you step by step. So I would say, let's get started. All right, guys, the first step is going to be navigating to InVideo, where we're going to then log in together, guys. And inside of this platform, we're going to now utilize the Agent One feature, which is the tool we're going to be using today for most of our generations. So in the first step, we're now going to start a new project for our brand called Splash Pop. So this is a fragrance brand made for hair and body. And yeah, they're like an emerging brand. They're pretty new in the market, so they don't have big budgets for testing and running creatives. So that's exactly why this viral AI UGC workflow is the perfect solution for them. First of all, Agent One has to know everything about Splash Pops. So what we're going to do in the first step is we're going to go inside of InVideo Agent One and going to upload our whole brand context. That consists of some product images as well as a brand guide, which includes our brand DNA, brand voice, ad direction, and so on. And we're now going to tell it the following. These are product pictures plus our brand PDF. This is everything you need to know. And we're going to then hit enter. And as we can see, the agent gets to work and process all the files, looking at the brand guides. It will take a look at our product images as well. And this will ensure the agent has all the context about our brand. So when we then start creating winning ads, it will actually stay on brand and lock 100% product consistency across every ad. This will save us a lot of work, and once this is set up properly, we can start producing at scale. And since the setup process is so important, let's take a quick look of what exactly I gave to the agent. So we started off with our product images, which include the hero shot. And the best part, we only have to give it once to the agent and it will lock it inside of its context and will then remember it throughout the whole project. So even 10 generations later, we won't have to pass any more product images to him because it still knows exactly how it looks like. And the second step, which I can strongly recommend, is giving a product sheet to the agent as well, which locks all kind of angles like the front, the back, the side, or maybe the product even being opened or a close-up of the logo. So when we then maybe generate a viral UGC video where the model is holding the product dynamically and the agent then knows exactly how it looks from that perspective and can then replicate it inside of the generation, which will result in 100% product consistency. Next up, I also gave the agent our brand guidelines. This includes all the most important information about our brand Splash Pops, like positioning, core values, tone of voice, or even packaging or our product variations. So a document like this is very powerful because these agents thrive on context. They can store all of that inside of their brain and they will remember it through all of the generations. And yeah, I know you guys maybe don't have a document like that ready for your product. So I will link that exact document down below. You can just take it and recreate it for your own product. And yeah, I would say now that everything is locked, we can start creating our first winning ad, and you will see exactly how all of that brand context will flow into our generations. So back inside Agent One, we can see it even tells us that it has logged all the information cover to cover, and it now want to know if we're already going to start making our first ad. So I would say we go straight ahead. And remember guys, as I already stated in the intro, we're not going to go start and guess what is going to work inside of our viral UGC video. Instead, we're taking an existing UGC advertisement that has already proven to go viral, and then we're going to start recreating it around our own product. So the first thing that we need to do is go out and find that winner. So that can literally be anything. So I personally went to my Instagram feed, but you can also go maybe to the Meta ad library and find high performing videos there as well. So for my case, I found this fragrance showcase, as you can see right here. It's like showcasing the product inside different lightnings. It's also getting applied. And yeah, the angle definitely seems to be working since it nearly got 25k likes as well as over 1 million views, and it's a rather small profile. So that concept is proven to work. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go inside of Agent One and we're going to attach that video so the agent can take a look as well. So let's open this one up. and we're gonna give it a full process it should follow for us. So we're gonna tell it, let's use all the context we have given to it prior to recreate a viral UGC for our brand Splash Pops. Here are the guidelines to follow. So first of all, it should analyze this reference ad we have just attached. Then it should then break it down shot by shot. Very important step, because then it can start generating a storyboard, but this time mapped around our brand. And then it will start animating all of these shots inside Seedance 2.0. This is by far the best video model right now for these cinematic shots and amazing lighting. So this is the full process. We're now going to send it off, and you're going to see the agent will now get to work and will do most of the heavy lifting for us, analyzing the video, wrapping it around our own brand. But the best part, we will stay on top of it. It will come back with a conclusion explaining what made this a winning UGC video in the first place. So this normally would take me a lot of time to even write and map it out before I can even start generating. So the agent is going to take that whole part over, and as a result, not even a minute later, we now have a full storyboard explaining first of all exactly why that ad has performed so well, and then second of all, it has started drawing in all the brand context we gave it in the beginning, and has analyzed a brand map on how we could recreate that exact viral ad around our product. So it has recognized that it was perfectly built for our Cloud9 product variation. So we have our pink bottle in the clouds in the same sky we have maybe seen here in the beginning, and it has then also started creating a full storyboard, starting with a hook for the first 2.5 seconds of a hand lifting our bottle into that bright blue sky. It then goes over to some kind of catch where we have that amazing lightning where the golden light rakes through the glossy pink dome. So we had also that scene in here where she then started like flickering the light of the sun around the bottle. So we're going to also include that, but around our product. And then finally it's going to finish with the hold of our bottle centered for a nice hero in the end. And yeah, it now tells us the exact settings it's suggesting, and all we're going to have to do now is going to either tell it go ahead, or we can bring in some more ideas from our own side. So what I'm going to tell him is, yes, gonna build that storyboard for us, but add one scene 2.5 in between, which is our product being sprayed into the air in the same style of the other shots. So I would say we send it off, and the agent is now getting to work, and it's gonna generate all of these shots we have just described for us, including our scene 2.5, and it's gonna map out all of those scenes on the right side of our canvas, ready for us to review, so we can take a look at it before we then start animating all of these shots as well. And as we can see, the agent went ahead and created all of these shots for us and has compiled them inside of one storyboard. So first of all, it has started with the hook angle right here. So if we took a look at the original video, we had this caption at the top which was saying fragrance that gets you endless compliments, and the agent has now taken a look at our brand DNA and has then wrapped around that caption around our angle. So this turned into POV, strangers keep asking what you're wearing, which I personally really like. The second scene it has generated was our perfume bottle being reflected in the sunlight, so it also nailed this one. Next up we have the spray scene I personally wished for, and I gotta be honest, it doesn't look quite well because there's the finger missing on the top of the bottle actually spraying it, so we're gonna have to do one round of iterations. And then in the final shot we have our product as the hero, and yeah, we have our variation as well as the logo below that, so that's quite well. So what I did is I went back inside of Agent One and told it the following. The spray scene number 3 doesn't look natural. The hand has to be pushing on the nozzle of the spray, and it went ahead and it recreated that scene exactly how I wanted it. And now we have our full storyboard with all of the scenes from the original viral ad, but wrapped around our product. So what we're going to tell to the agent now is, looks perfect, take these shots, including the updated scene number 3, and then start generating the full viral UGC video for us. And I also told it to include some viral background music that's gonna fit the vibe. Let's say I sent off the agent to work. It's gonna now use Seedance 2.0 as we have wished for, and gonna generate this whole scene for us. And I would say we take a look at the result together. And as we can see, the agent went ahead and has now animated all of these shots with Seedance 2.0 from our storyboard, and therefore has generated all of these amazing videos around our product. And yeah, I already can see they look quite amazing, and the best part is it even concluded now all of these shots together inside of one generation, has cut them into sequence, and has even put a nice voiceover / music in the background to fit the vibe. So we now have a ready to post content piece in the exact viral format we have chosen in the beginning. So I would say now let's take a look together at the final result. So yeah, I gotta say that turned out pretty cool. So yeah, in the beginning we have our hook right with the caption at the top, and then it's gonna start like with the sunlight reflecting inside of the bottle. Then we also have our spray scene in there, and then in the end we even have this nice end card with our brand name and the product variation. And if you now want to fine tune it, you can just go back to the agent and go inside of the chat and maybe tell it change the music, or maybe you can change the pacing, whatever you want to like to do. But I gotta say I really like the result, and I think this shows exactly how efficient our workflow is using Agent One and Seedance 2.0 inside of it to recreate viral UGC, but around our own product. And please keep in mind, guys, this whole project is now set up with all the knowledge, so we can now just go again, pick any viral reference from the internet, put it in there, and the agent will go straight to work and recreate that advertisement around our product. And this workflow works for basically any format. So in our example, we generated a faceless UGC video, but you can even pick a full product showcase film you found online and then utilize the agent to rebuild that around your product. And here's another example for our Splash Pops Cloud9. And as you can see, it will work a similar way. It will generate multiple shots and then cut them together in a, I would say, very cinematic way. So the possibilities with these tools are endless. So for example, you could go ahead and create a video around your product, but this time a UGC with a model inside of it as well.
This is my secret weapon for smelling like an actual dream every single day.
And these videos tend to perform very well as well because the person can explain your features, and as you can see, it even adds some captions.
From Splash Pops, and I swear the first time I sprayed this, I literally...
So let's recap what we have created inside of this session alone. So we have utilized our workflow, which consists of InVideo's Agent One and Seedance 2.0 inside of it to create viral UGC ad. We use the system to create faceless UGCs, you can do character UGCs, or even full brand spots. So whatever is already winning out there, you can recreate it around your product, and all of that in minutes. So if you want to try Agent One yourself, it's the first link in the description. And other than that, it was a pleasure having you guys here, and I see you in the next one. Cheers!